I have so many wallets on my SafePal. So I want to show you how to keep track, because eventually when I'm going to log in, I don't know where to go look. So you go into your wallet. I'm going to change this one at the top, K2. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to see where the tick is. I'm going to go on the three dots next to it. There's a pencil. That's how easy it is. So I'm still going to call it K2 because I know what it means. But then I'm going to also put the link number there. 4418378, and I'm going to confirm. I'm going to change another one, so I'm going to go back, click at the top of all the names, and I'm going to go to the K3. I'm going to click at the top, see where the tick is, go on the three dots, go to the pencil, and I want to call this K3. I know what it means, and the code is 4702543. Now let me show you why that means a lot. For instance, my wallet. I go and explore, click on the search bar, look at all these numbers. But I know where my number is. This is 104922. So it makes far more sense to go change my name with my number. So I'm going to click on my name, go on the three dots, go on the pencil, and I'm going to say my number is 1049922, and I confirm. Go back. Before I go in, I see it's 4410378. I go on the search bar, I search for 4410378. There's it at the top. Now I want to go to my wallet, click on my wallet. Before I click on the search button, I check, oh, I'm 1049. I enter. I check on the line, where's 1049? Oh, there it is. And you go to your wallet. So change it to a name and a number, or you're going to get confused if you got too many wallets. I hope this helps somebody.